2026 Honda HR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.